Dance to me is God, almost my spiritual practice. I knew that there was never be a chance for me to perform. In India, it was not possible. And then when I came here, never did I think I would get another chance to perform. So I would say dance is my religion. My name is Rani Ramaswamy. I am the founder, co-artistic director, choreographer, and a full-time performer with the Ragamala Dance Company. You know, dance in India itself has a very religious and spiritual background. So I studied the dance form from southeast of India called Bharatanatyam. So it is an art form that has rhythm, expression, emotional content, and spirituality. This art form uses every part of your body, every part of your face. You are constantly emoting. You have to be able to constantly draw the audience into your story. There are two words called bhava and rasa. Bhava is the emotion that we put in, and rasa is the taste or the feeling that both of us get, the audience as well as the dancer. So I would say emotionally it's a very complex art form. I think I'm the best person when I dance. I get stressed very quickly. But when I dance, the calmness that happens to me, I'm centered. I feel that this is my opportunity. It's my purpose, and I get engaged and involved in it 100%. That's when I'm a good, proper, and the best human being. In my style, the rhythmic dances might become difficult as you age to dance, because very strong rhythms you do bare feet on the ground with the plie position of your knee, all of that is difficult. But the emotional storytelling, the more older you get, the more mature you get, the more understanding of the world you get, you are a better emoter. I feel personally, if I can maintain my body, maintain the spirit and the enjoyment of performances, I think that I could easily dance for another 10 years. So dance has been unbelievable to me. It has brought me name, fame. It's brought us as a family together. I work with two of my children. It has taken me all over the world. And you know, it's interesting. My parents were so proud of me because my dad used to say, "You dance, but don't say you're my daughter." You know, all of that changed with the honors and the opportunities that I have received in this country. So if I hadn't come to the United States, I know from the bottom of my heart, I would have never danced living in India. Whatever has happened to me was a result of us coming to this country.